Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's over the light room. It's over, of course, one of those statements said by and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Over the light room. Let's start with Jim in Texas. Jim.
Yeah. Hey, Jim. Thanks for all your help.
Oh, thank you.
I bought this stock late last year with Mad Money. The idea was a more diversified pot play. The ticker is GRWG, GrowGeneration.
Okay, we very specifically said when that stock got into the 40s that it was done. That there wasn't much more there. We thought it was terrific, but we wanted to take the gain. We felt the bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs, well, they get slaughtered. And it was time to go, and frankly, we've never looked back. Let's go to Adam in Indiana. Adam.
Booyah from the Hoosier State, Jim.
Nice to have you.
I bought this stock last February when shipping stock container rates started to really climb. Stock's up over 100%, but still has a PE under 6 and dividend yield over 20%. Should I add to my position? Ticker SBLK.
No, that's a bulk carrier. We don't like any of the bulk carriers. We don't like the oil tankers. They are too inconsistent, and they have too often led to heartache. So we're not involved. Let's go to Suzanne in New York. Suzanne.
Hello, Jim. Happy and healthy New Year to you and your family.
Oh, thank you,
healthy.
Suzanne. Same to you. What's up?
I'm calling about RIVN. That's Rivian, of course. We paid 104 right when after their IPO. Just wondering what your thoughts are.
Well, the
Hold it or
the COO
unload it.
just left. Amazon is committed to being able to buy what they have, but also wants to go away. Ford wants to sell its stock, but it won't be able to do it for a couple of months. I don't think the Rivian setup is all that great. I'm sorry, but thank you for the kind words. Mike in Texas. Mike.
Jim, greetings from Houston. I've found a small cosmetic healthcare company. Last quarterly report, 50% year-over-year revenue growth. 50% of the revenue is GAAP net income. Share price down about half from the November highs, and PE ratio is now in the low 30s. What are your thoughts on InMode?
I don't know why that stock fell so much. I think that's a great opportunity. I think it was just one of those babe with bathwater names. I think that's what I expect our viewers to do, is come up exactly with names like InMode. I think that's a good call. Let's go to Joanne in Florida. Joanne.
Yes. Hi, Jim. Thank you so much for taking my call.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
And for the wonderful advice you provide.
Oh, thank you.
The financial education you give to so many with your show and the investing club. Anyway, my stock is Rio Tinto. I was looking for a good dividend payer with a low PE and decent earnings. And also, I had read that they had just bought a lithium mine, I think, in Argentina.
Look, I've always favored owning Rio. I think it's just a great long-term position. But remember, I also like gold. And I think that this is a good mineral company over the multiple-year time. Don't want to look at it over the short term, and I think you got a good one. Let's go to Carrie in Colorado, please. Carrie.
Hi, booyah. Hey, Jim.
Hey, Carrie, what's up?
Oh, man, I'm so stoked to talk to you. Nothing. I'm an Invest Club member. I'm so grateful for you and everything you've taught me, and I am interested in investing possibly in Novocure, ticker NVCR.
You know, I do not understand. Novocure is one of these companies. It has got, I happen to think that people have just turned on companies that in general are in healthcare that nobody seems to want anymore. They have a revolutionary device that can be used for multiple different areas against cancer, and I think it should be bought right here. It's down a great deal, and I would do some buying. How about Idris in Maryland? Idris.
Cramer, my man, how are you?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm doing all right. I hope to get your nod on the ticker symbol LICY, the lithium-ion battery cycle company.
Oh, man, those are... I would love to just say yes. I really would, because it's down a lot. But this lithium battery area is so controversial with so many players that I have to say, wait a second. It is too speculative for me, period. End of story. Hassan in Georgia. Hassan.
Mr. Cramer, how you doing? Thank you for taking my call.
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm all right. My question is, what are your thoughts on Atcore Incorporated?
Just plain, perfect, metal bending company that I like. Other people may not like it. Why? Because it's just too boring. I think sometimes boring is good. I like your choice. Let's go to Jim in Nevada, please. Jim.
Hey, Jim. Great to hear you, man. Love your show.
Thank you.
Hey, I got a question for you. Virgin Galactic. I rode the wave last year from 20 up to, I guess I sold about 56. And kind of watched it bounce all the way back down, and I don't know where it's hovering now. Somewhere around.
I never liked it. I saw it go up on a short squeeze. It's come back down a great deal. Maybe you can get a bounce, but frankly, the stock is just not for me. Way too speculative. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, to which streaming platforms are you giving the time of day? Cramer makes sense of the battle for your eyes and ears. Next.
Jim Cramer, you're one of my heroes.
I look forward to your show every weeknight. Thank you so much for helping beginning investors like me.
When you talk about the market, I just believe that you're spot on.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Every night we watch you, I have learned and earned.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.